Sebafikile abo-Mr and Mrs. Sebafikile. Askisi. Yeah! Yeah! Hayibo! Phone. Mina ngithi uyagijima uyangena. Uphamlile ne? Ngisho ukuthi uyangena mina ngiyambona nakakulandela. Now scream I thought just because useduze. No, yena, they came different.
No, marutila dropa mucho.
But drop somebody.
So, Amabile, the driver has another phone.
No, it's not the driver, it's the passenger.
The passenger.
Yeah. No, it's raining. Yeah.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Kune video leseculator lapha etingondleni tokuxhumana yabhudi losineshi phone yasisi owabaleke there's a getaway ikhale beyimlinzile laphana uthe makayiqova leya iPhone wagijima owayongena lapha emotweni lesi ibona ivela kancane lapha lesilver basho bashaya baqitha nefoni. So lapha amatiko lo mfana bathi ligama lakhe ngiBruce he's Zimbabwean utholakala kakhulu lapha emaboning nje mawuye emaboning nje there's no way ungahlala ungamtholi kuBruce. Guys thina sathi ukuthi bantu laba sitshontshelako actually rather besathi ukuthi bantu abasitshontshelako bantu abangqolile bantu lofika umbona thusa ubone vele ufihle ifoni yakhe asaqhamuka right now bantu abasitshontshelako bantu abagezile aba right ba clean umuntu ombona ngathi uyatindlulela wena kanti bafuna ukuqova ifoni yakho lento yokusinesha amafoni it seems like siyatrenda kakhulu indlela lese bantu abantshontshela ngayo lena and there's always a getaway car la muntu afika gijimele ayongena khona masika ethethe le phone. So people should really be careful uma babambe amafoni ucheck your surroundings ukuthi ayikho into lesuspicious loyibona kongisho umuntu umbona owafaka isudu adindlulise eside eqeleni nawo bamba ifoni ifake esikhwameni because ito hamba semaningi kakhulu ama video le ngwabonile lafana nalawa lapha etingudleni tokuxhumana webhayi bantu basinesha khona amafoni bantu umuntu abaleke there's always a car lehlezi imlinzi liqabanga amabenda abantu abaningi la ukuthi labantu babananga kumafoni bawathengise babe namalini. Yo guys iyangithusa this thing. It's even a good thing ukuthi the lady was taking a video lo la phambili alinze mngane wakhe bengathatha ivideo so sikhonile kubona ukuthi kahle lo muntu ngibani aka trend. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.